random.
Uncharted territory.
We don't know if it's gonna work. We don't even know if we're in the right spot, but we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna try and catch a, whoa! Whoa, something just fell off the electrical line.
Somebody might have hit it back there.
Goodness. So, we're going to attempt to catch a ferry towards the bay area. Hopefully we can get all the way to Intramuros and have a little bit of a walk around, and then we have to catch a plane.
We don't know how this is going to go today, but it's going to be fun. As I drip sweat.
We found what we think is the ferry station. Let's check it out. Okay, looks like it. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Okay, we're at the ferry terminal here in High Lane, I think it is.
So this is pretty cool. It was only 15 minutes walk from our place in Makati, and we found the ferry terminal, and all we had to do was show ID, and we asked to buy the ticket, and it's free. So we get this activity. Hopefully it's fun. We'll see. Who knows? Who knows what we're going to see?
Hey, my brother and sister Filipino over there. Don't forget, subscribe, push the button.
Okay, here we go on the free ferry. Free ferry.
Here we go.
So how did you enjoy it?
Good. Bumpy.
Bumpy? How did you go, Dave?
Loved it. Absolutely relaxing, almost rocking me to sleep.
Really?
But it was so nice to see all the real city.
Yeah. It was free. I can't believe it was free. And look now where we are. Oh wow. Oh, we're at Chinatown.
So this is the oldest Chinatown in the world. And cheese whiz on a very sweet bun, a unique, yeah.
Probably not what most people get when they go to Chinatown.
Well, I don't know for sure, but I think that is the Manila post office that burnt down. It was a huge fire.
Someone let us know in the comments if that's the post office. Okay, it's extraordinarily hot and there's still a lot of traffic noise, but we have made it to Intramuros, which is not something we thought that we would be doing today, but here we are. Intramuros. It's a surprise.
It is. All right, we'll go and have a look, or what are we doing?
Okay, Intramuros is very hot, and there's a lot of people that ask you if you want to go on a tour. The bike tour man said it was $350 per person, and when we said no, he came back a little while later and said, okay, I'll do it for $200 per person. If we were going to be here for a couple of hours, I would have absolutely said, yes, let's do a half-hour bike ride. But we're really just going to walk straight through Intramuros, have a little look at some of the things, and then leave. So we didn't feel like a bike was necessary. These stairs are really tricky. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Well, that was that. What did you think?
Ah, you'd come here and have a look. Wouldn't come back twice.
Okay, so the verdict is catching the ferry was a very good idea. Having a little wander around Chinatown was also a good idea. Walking around Intramuros was not. It was way too hot. There was not that much to see. We didn't find it very exciting. I think if you're interested in it, it's definitely only worth going if you have enough time to get on one of those bikes and do the tour properly. You just try and go there in a bit of a rush, you will get too hot and you won't see that much and it won't be worth your while. All in all, I think for a relatively cheap day, you can have a pretty good time. Free ferry, free walk around Chinatown, free walk around Intramuros, or you could have paid $350 for the bike tour, and the taxi back to the airport was only 300 pesos as well. So definitely worth doing.